Let's find out what happened in trading today. The Dow Jones Industrial Average posting a gain at the end of trading, up 17 points. For more details, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, the market's kind of firming up in the last hour and a half of trading, but for much of the day, stocks were under pressure on concern that China may try to cool off their economy. And we did see many emerging markets around the world lower, but here at home, we did see some late day buying. And of course, all eyes on the Federal Reserve as we await their decision on interest rates tomorrow. Traders saying that there was some trepidation today going on ahead of the Fed meeting, especially given the run that we have had in the markets, and traders saying what the Fed has to say will be very important, and more than likely we do expect the Fed to say that the economy is improving. Financials were the big turnaround and the big comeback story even after Senate Banking Committee Chairman Christopher Dodd introduced his financial regulation reform bill. We did see the financials really kind of moving a little bit higher. AIG, a big part of that story, though, mainly because investor Bruce Berkowitz saying that he bought a stake in AIG. Some of the other major financials like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Citigroup were lower. Consumer stocks rallying on the day. This was after Wal-Mart got an upgrade from Citigroup. Also, Pepsi's plan to buy back $15 billion in stock and also increase its dividend, that helping out both those stocks with Walmart and PepsiCo. And commodities were hit particularly hard in today's session. Energy stocks, the biggest drags in the S&P. This was after crude oil fell to the lowest level in more than a week, below $80 a barrel. And of course, crude oil has been very comfortable in this $80 a barrel range. We closed out today's session $79.77 a barrel. Energy stocks on the losing end. And gains in the dollar not only hurting oil, but they also hurt copper, lead, and nickel. And we saw a lot of those commodities declining as commodities falling for a sixth straight day. That also led many of those material stocks lower on the day. That's it from here at the exchange. Back to you in the studio, Pim.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the NYSE.